Oh, hi, didn't see you there. I'm John. I'm the guitarist for Hail Macbeth, and I'd like to talk to you about something very, very important and very, very terrible that's going on. Apparently, Zach Worley and Derek Carrell and this All Is One band have been questioning the bona fide authenticity that is Hail Macbeth. Let's break down that word bona fide. B, as in boy. O, as in oblong. N, as in narcissist. A, as in apple. Hyphen, as in Spider-Man hyphen. F, as in fuck. I, as in iodine. D, as in dog. And E, as in ecstasy. What does that word mean to you, All Is One?
You let me fall.
Is it just some word that you just think you know the meaning of and the spelling of, and you can just push it around on us? Another thing, you say we have no class, but look at me. I'm wearing a tie and a nice shirt. I just got back from a gentleman's club, where I enjoyed multiple Keystone lights, because, quite frankly, that's all I can afford. We don't have your fancy Jack Daniels or Jägermeister, because we're hard-working boys.
A hard-working man. I wear a steel hard hat.
And all we can afford is good old Keystone. And you can talk bad about it all you want to, but it gets us through the week. And as far as this whole ladies thing goes, take a look at
all these bitches.
They're all DTF, and there's none of them for All Is One. They're all Hail Macbeth. Because we can get the ladies really easy, Zach. We just don't have to get them drunk first like you do.
I don't mean like, you know, bum.
And as for this All Hail McDonald's thing,
This is a tasty burger.
and that pretty much sums that up. Sam's got our back, All Is One. Do you really want to mess with Sam? And in conclusion, All Is One, I just wanted to say, you burned our ass on that last video. I'll give you kudos for that. And from everyone in All Hail Macbeth, All Hail Macbeth, bitches.
All Hail Macbeth, bitches!
All Hail Macbeth, bitches! Oh, and one more thing.